In this video, we would be practicing some questions of chapter circles. In this adjoining figure, we have to identify the following. First is OC. So OC is here. One endpoint of OC is at the center of the circle and the other one is on the circle. So this one is radius. PQ. So PQ is a line which is passing through the circle. So it is a secant. OA. OA is also the radius of a circle with one endpoint at the center, other on the circle. CD. So CD has got both the endpoints on the circle and it is also not passing through the center of the circle. Hence it will be a chord. AB. AB also has got both the endpoints on the circle but it is passing through the center of the circle. So it is a special chord which is known as diameter. OB is also the radius of the circle. OB. EF is the another chord of this circle. Next question. Center of a circle bisects each chord of a circle. We know center only bisects the diameters of circle, not every chord of the circle. So this one is false. Next. Each radius of a circle is the chord of a circle. No, this one is false. Because to be a chord, both the endpoints should be on the circle and to be a radius, one of the endpoint is at the center. So these two terms, radius and chords, are entirely different. Next is, in the adjoining figure, if OA is 4 cm, find CD. Very interesting question. So this one is OA. So we know the radius of the circle and CD is the diameter of the circle. And we know the relationship also between them. Diameter is twice of radius. Therefore, CD is equal to 2 into OA, twice of OA. So 2 into 4 is 8 cm. To understand these concepts into details, please refer to my previous video on chapter circles, whose link is given in the description and the comment box. Next, any part of a circle is called an arc of a circle. Yes, this one is true. We know arc is a small portion of a circle. Total number of diameters of circle is infinite. So this one is true because we could draw infinite number of diameters in a circle. That is why. Concentric circles have same radii. So this one is false because concentric circles have got same center, not the radii. They are different. Next, highlighted portion is called major segment. This blue highlighted one, is it major segment? No, it is not. So it is false because a segment is formed by a chord of a circle, or we could say a chord divides the circle into two segments, major segment and minor segment. So the upper one, highlighted one, this one is a major segment, and the one which is shown over here in the question was major sector, and a sector is formed between two radii and arc.